Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or change the favicon on your Shopify website. A favicon is that small icon that appears in your browser tab next to your website's name, and it's a simple but effective way to make your site look more professional and recognizable. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to shopify.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the store you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now that you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to your storefront's appearance and functionality. When you click it, you'll see your current theme displayed, which is the design template your store is currently using. Next to your theme, you'll see a button that says Customize or Edit Theme. Go ahead and click Edit Theme. This will open up the theme editor, which is where you can make visual changes to your website without needing any coding knowledge. The interface might take a moment to load, so just give it a second while everything populates. Once you're in the theme editor, look to the left side of the screen and click on the settings icon. This icon usually looks like a gear or slider symbol and gives you access to various design settings. From the options that appear, click on Logo. This section controls both your main logo and your favicon, which is why we're here in the logo section. You'll see an area labeled Favicon. This is where you can manage that small browser icon I mentioned earlier. Click Select to begin the process of adding or changing your favicon. This will open up your file library where Shopify stores all your uploaded images. Now you have two options depending on what you want to do. If you already have a favicon uploaded and just want to change it to a different one from your library, you can simply choose from the images you see here. However, if you're adding a brand new favicon, look for the option that says Add Files and click it. This allows you to upload your favicon image directly from your computer. Make sure your favicon image is square and ideally at least 32 by 32 pixels for the best results. Once your favicon has been uploaded to the library, click Done. This confirms your selection and applies the new favicon to your theme settings. You should now see a preview of your chosen favicon in the settings panel. Finally, to make sure all your changes are saved and live on your website, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This is a crucial step because without saving, none of your changes will actually appear on your storefront. Once saved, your new favicon will be visible to anyone who visits your site and will appear in their browser tab. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed the favicon on your Shopify website, giving your online store that extra touch of professionalism. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.